Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Eye Reviews. Today, we're diving into the latest innovation from Samsung, the Galaxy Z Flip6. A phone that's redefining self-expression with cutting-edge features, stunning design, and the power of Galaxy AI. In this video, we'll explore every detail, so you know exactly why this phone is creating waves in the tech world. Let's jump right in. First up, the design. The Galaxy Z Flip6 sets a new standard in smartphone design with its modern and sleek aesthetics. The innovative floating design, coupled with its ultra-compact size, makes it perfect for on-the-go lifestyles. Whether you're slipping it into a pocket or clutch, this phone ensures portability without sacrificing functionality. This beauty isn't just about looks. Built with a reinforced folding edge, an Armor aluminum frame, and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, it's designed to withstand the bumps and bruises of daily life. And with an IP48 water resistance rating, accidental spills or unexpected rain won't hold you back. Now, let's talk about Galaxy AI, your smart assistant that makes everyday tasks seamless. The FlexWindow is a game changer, letting you send messages even when your phone is closed. With Chat Assist, Galaxy AI analyzes your conversations and suggests context-aware responses. Traveling abroad or meeting someone who speaks a different language? With Live Translate, the Galaxy Z Flip6 breaks down language barriers. Whether it's translating phone calls in real time or converting text across apps, communication has never been easier. Simply circle a topic on your screen, and Galaxy AI will fetch instant search results from Google. Whether you're researching, shopping, or just curious, this feature saves time and keeps you informed. Let's talk about the cameras. The Flip6 comes with a dual camera setup on the rear, a 50-megapixel primary sensor for sharp, detailed shots, even in low light, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens for capturing expansive landscapes or group photos. On the front, there's a 10-megapixel selfie camera. While it lacks autofocus, it delivers great selfies with accurate colors and sharp details. The Flip6 supports UHD 4K video recording at 60 frames per second. With these advanced camera features, the Galaxy Z Flip6 doesn't just flip open, it opens new possibilities for content creation and everyday photography. The Galaxy Z Flip6 isn't just about looks, it's also about an immersive experience. The 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display offers stunning visuals, vibrant colors, and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or browsing, the experience is nothing short of cinematic. And let's not forget the 3.4-inch Super AMOLED Flex window. Quick notifications, replies, and even app interactions are all possible without unfolding the phone. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Flip6 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, Samsung's fastest processor yet. Whether you're gaming at high frame rates or multitasking between apps, this phone handles it all with ease. The vapor chamber cooling system keeps things running smoothly, even during heavy use. When it comes to colors, the Galaxy Z Flip6 delivers like no other. Available in vibrant colors like silver shadow, yellow, blue, mint, crafted black, white, and peach. With such a wide palette, there's a perfect color for everyone. The Galaxy Z Flip6 doesn't just look good, it's built to perform. With 256GB of internal storage and 12GB of RAM, this phone provides plenty of room to store all your photos, videos, apps, and files. Whether you're capturing memories, downloading your favorite apps, or working on the go, you'll never have to worry about running out of space. Battery life is a concern for many of us, but not with the Galaxy Z Flip6. With a 4000 mAh battery, it's the largest ever on a flip device. Stream, browse, or game all day without worry. You get up to 68 hours of audio playback, 23 hours of video playback, and up to 20 hours of internet usage. And when it's time to recharge, fast charging ensures you're back to 100% in no time. So there you have it, the Galaxy Z Flip6, a phone that's compact, powerful, and packed with smart features. Whether you're capturing stunning photos, exploring AI innovations, or just enjoying its sleek design, this is a device that truly stands out. Ready to make the flip? Hit that like button, subscribe to Tech Eye Reviews, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Galaxy Z Flip6, flip the script, redefine the future.